Okay, so now let's see some exercise on declaring and accessing a member of a list. Okay, so the exercise is, for example, this one says names. So store the names of your friends in a list called names. Print each person's name by accessing each element in a list one at a time. So let's do this one first. So we use the variable called names, then store friend name of our friends. So let's say Abel, comma, John, and Mikey. Okay, so this is, for example, list of my friends. So to access them, we say print names. If for Abel will be 0, so this will print Abel, and names names 1 will print John, and print names 2 will print Mike. So this one is the first. So declaring your friend's name, then accessing each one of them using the index, their respective index. So for Abel 0, for John 1, and for Mike 2. Okay, so the next one is greeting. So starting from the previous exercise, but instead of just printing each person's name, print a message to them. The text of each message should be the same, but each message should be personalized with the person's name. So this means we will have to store a greeting in a variable called the message, then print that out for all of them. Okay, or we can just print that out without using a variable. So let's use, for example, a variable called message, or as the question indicates, let's use a variable called greeting. Okay, so greeting is equal to, though all greeting could say hi there, and let's say, okay, how are you doing? How are you doing? Then their name. Okay, so this could be our greeting variable. So if you want to frame it, for example, for Abel, we will say greeting plus names. So this is for Abel. How are you doing, Abel? Nice. Print greeting plus names and 1. This one is for John. How are you doing, John? Nice. So the last one, print greeting. So plus this one is for Mike. So names 2. So this is the last one. Okay, so let's go to the next exercise. So the next one says your own list. So think of your favorite mode of transportation, such as motorcycle or a car, and make a list that stores several examples. Use your list to print several. So it's like first you have to store your favorites in a list, then print them out with individual unique message. Okay, so let's do this one. So let's say favorites. So let's list some favorites here. say Range Rover. Let's say Honda. Okay, then let's say Toyota. Okay, so we say print my, let's say your message could be like my favorite car is, or you could say the car that I want to drive, the car that I want to drive is, let's add some space here, then favorite 0. So this will say the car I want to drive is favorites index 0. Index 0 will be Range Rover. So this one is out. So use your own list to do this exercise. Okay, thank you.